Hello, in this video we are going to explore inserting shapes, and the first question is, why would you want to insert shapes? And the basic explanation to it is shapes are literally like photos. It's a graphical tool like photos, but just shipped already with Excel. So most of the time you're going to use this. They use less memory and they are faster to render, and they just appear nice being used in your Microsoft Excel workbook. So to insert a shape, you just go to the insert tab again. It's similar to how we inserted photos, and next to pictures you'll find shapes, and there are different types of shapes that you can insert. Let me use the arrow as an example. Just select on that. So to insert, just select shapes and insert the shape, but you have to draw the shape. So let's say I want a highlight on this 48% here. I'll just draw. Let me just go back and say I want, then click. Okay, let me do it again for you to understand what was happening. So we want to point an arrow here. I'll go to insert, shapes, select it and click. That's it. It's going to give us, I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to click away so that you see here is the arrow, but I need it to face this other direction. So I'm going to go to the end here and just turn it. Okay, voila, you can see. So my arrow at the moment, let me move it back. You see, so this is a shape where my arrow is actually pointing towards the 48%. We are going to, in our next video, we are going to learn about how to format such shapes. But for now, that's how you insert a shape. And shapes are very many. That's not proper English. There are many. You can see all of them here. See? All the way. We have even an arrow with corners, directions, etc. Rectangles, all types of angles. Basic shapes, even the love icon is here, then block arrows, then equation shapes like plus, minus, whatever you want to show there, then stars, etc. So you can pass all through all these shape types, and then you choose what to apply. I just apply the arrow because it makes sense in this case. So if I want to format that, that's what we are going to pass through in the next video, so that we see how this is more visible. The arrow is more visible, or we can use it to also with these colors, because this is our theme color. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.